Hello guys, 12 o'clock na ng 12 o'clock ng almost 12 o'clock. Ala, ang dami naman ito. Yun na, ang dami niyang binili. What is this? Ang daming binili na Jollibee. Tignan niyo naman yan. So, tignan natin itong binili niya mga labs. Kakagising ko lang at kakarating lang niya. Oh my goodness, may fries pa. Ayan. Wala, oh, you buy a lot of things ba, but you don't even... My goodness, eh. Spaghetti. Hindi ba? Wala. Tignan nyo, kagigising ko lang mga loves. And then, ito na, ano to? They buy a lot of spaghetti. Mura man si Tami ba? Parang ang daming anak. Oh my goodness, ang dami. Mga loves, Tami. Seems like he has a lot of kids. Oh my goodness. You got a lot.
The chicken tenders don't come in spicy, only regular.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love you.
Me too.
Thank you, hon.
Yeah.
But he ordered a lot. Oh, you buy a lot. Oh my Jollibee. Look, ang daming Jollibee.
Jolly kittens. Jolly kittens.
But you know, what do you wanna eat? Ang daming spaghetti. Oh, this is the tenders that you're talking about? This one is tastes good. Tenders, guys. But because it's been... Come on, eat. No? So now he has a problem now, like a puzzle now. How to fix everything there.
I put it here. I didn't want to block my coleslaw.
Coleslaw. He doesn't want to forget his coleslaw. Look, there's a lot of sauce, chicken. Nah, you put it in behind. You know your wife is very short. I can't reach anything.
Adobo rice. I forgot whether you liked it or you didn't like it last time.
Why you get a lot of rice in there? You know, it's like...
They come with side dishes, you know.
Don't forget your coleslaw. It's like a puzzle now in the refrigerator. So now how he can... And now he bought it all and then he said, I'm gonna eat it all. Seriously, Tommy, no.
That's the goal.
You have to eat it and then when you get mad, it's not my fault when it's going
Why do I
bad.
have to eat it? You're a Jollibee person.
Yeah, I don't tell you to buy it.
I'm supposed to tell me to buy it. That's what makes it nice.
Thank you, love. Honey, you don't even eat nothing, hon. Hon?
Yeah.
You don't even eat nothing. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, you want me to close it? Not yet. Puzzle man na, oy. Kito si Tami talaga kapag... Sabi pa ng... You know, Isabel saw this refrigerator? Oh, this is like Neuroshell refrigerator. I said, yes, so you think living in Neuroshell, this is people live here. Tabunan natin ang totoy. Kasi makikita man talaga ninyo, no? Ay, ay, ay. Ang asawa ko. Okay na, because you're still going to work too. Oh my goodness, Tommy. Look, you know what? I wanna throw this out. Look, read it.
What? Devil's food.
Itong si Roxy ba, may naano doon. Parang may naamoy siya. Na gusto niyang ano, makita. What is it, Rox? Roxy? What is it? Hindi man siya ganito. Hey, Roxy. What did you see? What did you smell? You smell something? What is it? What's in there? Come on, tell Mama. Tell me, what is in there? Yeah? What? What is it? Do you see something? Tignan niyo to. I don't want to go over there. Because if you smell something, I don't want to go. Come on. Tell me. Yung kapitbahay namin dyan. Maraming nagsasabing walang kapitbahay. Pero meron. What is it, Rox? Ang daming prutas, oh. Look, ang dami. What, do you wanna go in there? Huh? No, we're gonna go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. Tignan niyo. Hello, what is it? Kaluka itong si Roxy. What? Hey, what are you, don't dig, huh? Come on. Yung kamatis mo, tikan ng matumba. Dito. Roxy, let's go na. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. Ano kayang ano nito, naramdaman? Ilaw ka tong aso ha, iruan eh. So, ngayon mga loves, walang kuryente. May sumabog sa labas somewhere. Nagpakain ako ng mga alaga. Look, ang dilim ng bahay. Walang kuryente. Where's Roxy? Hindi tayo makakain ito kasi walang kuryente. Wala tayong kape. Hi, Monkey Kang. Come on. Where's Roxy? Morning, love. What time you get home? You stop somewhere? Or rest area? So, no electric. Hopefully, it will come back na very soon kasi. What are you trying to shut off?
Well, everything that you use.
Finally, yung kuryente bumalik. Pero yung asawa ko, tulog na tulog. Massage natin. Masahi lang natin ito mga loves yung ating asawa kasi talaga yung paa niya is lumalaki at gusto kong nakataas yan at imasamasahin natin. Habang nagmamasahe ako, pakanta-kanta na lang si Inday Mary ano. Kanta-kanta lang ako dyan mga loves pero ang problema dito is yung paa ni Mr. talaga. Look, not real eggplant. Come on, look.
Like purple pickles.
Tignan mo ito. You can't even... Look.
You can't make eggplant parmesan out of that.
No, but this is the Asian eggplant.
Okay, where's the American ones? Those?
Over there is not good.
What are those?
Where? Tomato, uy.
Purple like that?
Yeah. It's cute, right? It's purple tomato.
It's not purple tomato.
Yeah. Purpley. Huh?
Fake food.
Fake food? Maybe it's fake food. I never seen one like that before too, so. Ise, nasi, na. Ang aso ko ba, nagtataka na talaga. Nangyari sa ina ko. Kape. At ito yung gagawin ko para maging masaya si Mister. Kumuha ako ng ito at saka ito. And then, ito, rice. Para sa aking kinabukasan. Ngayon, gumagawa lang ako dito ng itong egg. You know, ganitong pagkaluto ng itlog is masarap. And yung asawa ko, ininitan ko ng pagkain at kumain na siya. Sabi ko, kumain ka na dyan, dong. Kasi dong, matagal-tagal pa itong itlog. Kasi gusto ko yung itlog na luto ko is talagang namatay na ba, yung parang sobrang dark. Ito lang yung ulam natin at masarap namang itlog ganito. Lalo na kapag gutom mo na talaga, ay nako, iwan ko na lang kamayin. So yun, ito tama na ito kasi luto na. Ay, sige. Hi, do you want egg? Okay. Here the thing. Oh, eat. Nagumawa ako ng tomato sauce, no? Para sa pasta ni Mr. And then, ito na, may makain na si Mr. And then, magluluto ako mamaya ng gulay. Ito na, lutuin na natin yung gulay na galing sa ating garden.